is horrible to watch. The driver has got a family at home, and this could have ended up so much worse for them. My name's Leigh Sparks, I'm the Transport Manager for Clean Linen Services. Back in December 2024, I was made aware that one of my drivers had been involved in an incident. The driver is travelling down a dual carriageway. At first, everything looks alright, and then all of a sudden his head goes back and he's asleep. He comes up to a slight bend, and that is him into the hedge. The ultimate response was to ensure that he was safe and sound. We initiated 2 people to go down and recover him. When we looked back prior to the actual incident, we found footage of him having micro sleeps as he's driving along. Just after he's crashed into the hedges, there are vehicles that overtake him. Had he gone the other way, then we could be looking at a very, very serious accident with fatalities possibly. If we didn't have Samsara in place historically, the driver would have probably lost his job.
Collision always used to result in a disciplinary investigation, and that's not what this is about. We've got to be showing empathy in everything we do with our drivers.
A lot of information came out that the team in Yeovil were totally unaware of. He was starting at 2 o'clock in the morning, however he wasn't going to bed until 10, 11 o'clock at night because of family commitments at home. And obviously that raised a big red flag and concerns for us, and we needed to put it right. With Samsara's video footage, then we could actually get to the bottom of it, understand why this incident's happened, and the driver still remains with Clean today. We have had instances where drivers do open up and tell us more, and we can actually start acting and making sure that people are safe to be out on the road.